Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Okay, let's update our current view on the euro currency. Well, you can see from the technical point of view, it's not much to comment, since we have just a small trading session yesterday at some sort of the high wave pattern or spinning with the pattern that has very small body with this long tails to the upside and to the downside. This is some sort of the end decision price action from the market participants. This session stands inside to this significant plunge down, so in fact market I suppose is ready for some solid move in one or other direction, and probably this, as I feel that this move probably will be to the downside. Well, still this current action has some significant moment. First of all is that trend has turned bearish here on the daily time frame, and market currently unable to show any significant retracement to the upside, even on the intraday charts. By this move down, market also has erased all the stop grabbers, and within this solid move down, market hasn't shown in any 3-8 retracement of this swing down, if even the stop grabbers have suggested this potential retracement. So that makes me think that in general market looks rather heavy. And although we do not have absolutely clear and strong patterns right now on the our side, but I feel that we should be ready for significant move to the downside. Well, second moment is here we have some sort of the bearish dynamic pressure. Since you can see trend holds bullish, but price action was not bullish. It's just creeping down with this line of the MACD indicator and shows the downward acceleration. This usually sooner or later should lead to some acceleration to the downside, if of course we will not get some news from the Cyprus that will change drastically the overall situation. And also I would like to make a couple of comments on the Cyprus situation in general. Well, first of all, now rumor stands that the tax on the deposits above the 100,000 euros will be around 40%. So that's really dramatic withdrawal from the deposits, and it will hardly add the trusting and confidence for the investors who hold money inside of the Euro Union. Today, Luxembourg already accuses the Germany that it wants to that it makes that pretends on the hegemony in the Euro Union. And you know that Luxembourg is the greatest offshore inside of the Euro Union. It has the deposits even greater than the Cyprus in relation to gross domestic product. So although the Luxembourg stands inside of the core of the Euro Union, hardly there is possible some situation as in the Cyprus, but the overall tendency and overall situation is negative. Maybe the situation with the Luxembourg and there's some picking inside of the core members of the Euro Union is not so significant as the overall Cyprus situation, but the major consequence that could follow from the situation on the Cyprus, the turmoil, I suppose, could be the mass withdrawal of the money from the periphery countries of the Euro Union. And that could hurt significantly the overall banking system. I see that could be the really significant consequence from this Cyprus crisis. Not maybe this will be the tragedy for the core members, but in general that will be negative for the euro and overall precedent, and the challenge of the private property inside of the Euro Unions will be not the positive sign at all. So in the medium-term perspective, I think sooner or later, when the investors will understand closely and will take a look with the scrutiny, look on the situation that has happened on the Cyprus, when the tax on the deposit will be applied, that will hardly add value to the euro currency. And will it be a strong move or gradual move? But that negative impact on the euro in the medium-term perspective, I think that the depreciation of the euro currency could continue. Well, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we do not see any significant moments, except maybe that market is calling right now, right at the lower border of this consolidation, of this downward parallel channel. And take a look, it stands below the weekly pivot support 1. That could lead to the breakout and downward move to the targets that we have specified previously. On the hourly time frame, we see that this takes place in some sort of the horizon small consolidation without any pretending on the potential upward retracement. Still, if market will break it to the upside, it could reach the level that we have specified previously, since if we will measure the height of this consolidation counted to the downside, we will get approximately the same area that we have discussed yesterday. From that standpoint, in general, from the assessment of the overall situation, now we have the bear trend on all time frames. We have the broken without any response confidence support on the weekly time frame. We see the inability of the market to show and confirm the bearish trap on the daily time frame. The market looks rather heavy, so we probably could expect some acceleration to the downside. From that standpoint, we should search for the possibility to enter short, I suppose. And there are two possible solutions of that situation could be. In the current environment, I think that it will be not a bad idea to think about the application of the entry stop order, not the limit order, but stop order somewhere below the lower border of this channel. Okay, if market will show the breakout, enter with the stop order from this consolidation. Or if market will show still the upward retracement, use this level 50% resistance or maybe some other level to possibility to enter on the short side of the market.